Alanoud Badr, aka Fuzaza, and I'm so excited to be renovating my living space and dining room. I love nesting. I love staying home. This is my personality. I'm such a Pisces, so I actually hate change. I like earth tones a lot. I like very safe palette of colors because I usually bring in pops of colors when it comes to accessories. I'm excited, but I'm really nervous, so I hope it all works out. I know they're a great team and I'm really happy about this.
Unblindfold you.
Oh my god! Oh my, it's exactly the colors I love.
Really?
Exactly the colors that I was worried about that.
Walk around, enjoy, look around, test it out.
Oh my, the chairs, you guys, the chairs.
Aren't they the perfect color? It's like mustard and it matches
It's
with
my
your elephant.
favorite color.
Yeah.
The living room, I don't know which one I like more, the dining room or the living room. It's like a different house.
Yeah.
No, I love it.
Really?
No, I love it. I love it. I love it. It's ridiculous. It's every single piece, every single corner tells a story. It like complements each other. The colors are perfect. Honestly, it's amazing. I cannot thank you enough, Chattels and more. You guys are the best.